First, want to thank everyone for making it into the office so early this morning, and please enjoy the breakfast as I begin this training session. Today, I will be stressing the importance of our company's policies related to employment law. Each of you have a company's policy and procedures packet in front of you, along with the breakdown of the employment laws which govern how we operate. At the end of each session, there will be a form for you to sign off on to acknowledge your completion, knowledge, and understanding of the laws that we will cover. After signing these documents, these forms will be placed in your employee file. Equal employment opportunity. Prior to the civil rights movement of the early 1960s, employment decisions were often made on the basis of an applicant's or a worker's race, gender, religion, or other characteristics unrelated to job qualifications or performance. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Under the laws which are enforced by the EEOC, it is illegal to discriminate against someone, applicant or employee, because of that person's race, color, religion, sex, including pregnancy, national origin, age, 40 and older, disability, or genetic information. It is also illegal to retaliate against a person because they complain about discrimination, filed a charge of discrimination, or participated in an employment discrimination investigation or lawsuit. Job advertisements. It is unlawful to single out any one characteristic when advertising for jobs. Ads which feature females or college graduates will discourage men and people over 40 from applying. All advertisements must be inclusive of all races, color, religion, sex, national origin, age, disability, or genetic information. Recruitment. It is a violation of the law for an employer to rely on word-of-mouth recruitment by mostly Hispanic workforce if the result is that all the new hires are Hispanic. Recruitment cannot be specific to any one demographic. Application and hiring. We will not refuse to give employment applications to people of a certain race. All applicants of all races can apply for positions in our company. Job referrals. We will not take into account the demographics of any person when making decisions about job referrals. Job assignments and promotions. We will not give preference to employees of a certain race when making shift assignments and may not segregate employees of a particular national origin from other employees or from customers. We will not give preference to any employee. Pay and benefits. All employees will receive compensation and a benefits package that was tailored for them during the recruitment process, which includes these items: equal pay, wages, sick leave, vacation leave, insurance, overtime and overtime pay, retirement. Also related to pay and benefits, we here at this company will begin to enforce this law. All salaries of all employees are currently being reviewed to invoke equal pay retro to January 1st of this year. Discipline and discharge. All offenses while being employed here at this company of the same similarity will be disciplined in the same manner according to our company's policy. No employee will be exempt from this policy. Employment references. Employee references will be based upon the employee's work skills at this company as it pertains to the job and to the skills performed. Please, everyone, state the simple facts and do not exaggerate. All references will be truthful. Reasonable accommodation and disability. A reasonable accommodation is any change in the workplace or in the way things are usually done to help a person with a disability apply for a job, perform the duties of a job, or enjoy the benefits and privileges of employment. Accommodations will be offered to all applicants and current employees. Reasonable accommodations and religion. We will make reasonable adjustments at work that will allow the employee to practice his or her religion, such as allowing an employee to voluntarily swap shifts with a coworker so that he or she can attend religious services. We will accommodate applicants and employees who express their religious beliefs. Training and apprenticeship programs. Training opportunities will benefit our company by retaining employees who have worked with us for several years and know our business. We will help those employees who are wanting to educate themselves with tuition assistance and allow adjustments in their schedules to attend classes or training sessions. Training opportunities for all interested employees will be made available. Harassment. All forms of harassment related to company time on our property and in your community will not be tolerated and can be cause for termination with the possibility of criminal charges. We are a zero tolerance company against harassment on all levels. Terms and conditions of employment. We will not discriminate when it comes to employment decisions such as hiring, firing, promotions, pay, breaks, approving leave, assigning workstations, or any other condition, no matter how small it may be. Everyone here at our company will be treated with dignity and respect. Pre-employment inquiries. As a general rule, the information obtained and requested through the pre-employment process should be limited to those essential for determining if a person is qualified for the job. We are explicitly prohibited from making pre-employment inquiries about disability. We will not ask for photographs of an applicant. Pre-employment inquiries. As a general rule for this company, the information obtained and requested through pre-employment process will be limited to those essential for determining if a person is qualified for the job. Questions about the applicant's affiliation with other groups are illegal and irrelevant. Photographs will not be required until an offer of employment is accepted by the applicant, which will be used for identification and security badges. No questions about applicants' organizations, clubs, society, or lodges where they may have memberships. Dress code. A dress code may be required for employees with certain job categories and for ethnic beliefs and practices. The dress code for our company will not conflict with an employee's religious practice. Those employees may request an accommodation in which modification will be permitted unless doing so will result in undue hardship or safety concerns. Constructive discharge, forced to resign. Forcing another employee to resign by making the work environment so intolerable that a reasonable person would not be able to stay is an illegal employment practice and will not be tolerated. This type of behavior will be subject to review for cause for your termination. This concludes our slide presentation, and I hope you enjoyed your breakfast. And please do not forget to sign the form, uh, which will be placed in your employee packet. Thank you all for coming out this morning, and enjoy the rest of your day.